I think it's very important to study sustainability as it's shaping our future and it's impacting not just my generation but all the generations and newer generations to come.
The college offered all managers the IEMA sustainability course, and that sparked a passion for me in sustainability, and I wanted to pass that on to the learners and get them inspired about sustainability. I'm Kim Nicholas and I lead on the Level 2 Sustainability in Action course at Coleg Sir Gar. In a nutshell, it explores key sustainability issues such as climate change, energy use, waste, biodiversity and ethical consumerism, and it helps learners think critically about how everyday choices they make impact on the planet.
So what I really enjoyed learning about sustainability is just mostly like researching about sustainability. It's like a really interesting topic.
I've probably enjoyed most the open debates we have with the tutors on the more opinionated topics of sustainability.
Taught me a lot about being responsible in my actions and how I can reasonably be also responsible financially.
We also recently went on a trip to the BBC where we learned about how they're being sustainable.
Something I find very interesting is that not only learning how they use sustainability in the studio, but learning personal experience as well.
We met Sabrina, one of the weather ladies who's doing the No New Clothes Challenge, where she tries to go as long as possible without buying any new clothes from anywhere.
The learners have been brilliant. Some of them were a little bit nervous at the start. They didn't know what it was, but they've improved their independent research skills. We've had some great discussions about sustainability and about where we're going as a planet and how we can improve. They can improve at home, and we've looked at action plans, whether it be in their workplace or at college or at home, to help them either recycle, reuse or save money in their practices. For other schools or colleges thinking about offering the qualification, I would say absolutely do it. I've really enjoyed it. I've been enriched by the course myself. It's enabled me to follow my passion and ignite passion in the students. So I would say definitely do it.
Having studied it, I just think it's incredible.